Metamorphosized. It's choreographed by Kellerman. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. This is an older dance, so there are some adaptations that have done in different locations depending on where you dance. So if you go out and dance it, know that I'm teaching it as it's written on the step sheet. You may have to adjust some stuff to be able to fit it into where you dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing all 4 walls of the dance, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Metamorphosized. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp forward with our right and hold. So you're going to stomp that right foot forward and hold. You're going to stomp your left foot forward and hold. You're now going to stomp your right foot forward, and you can either snap your hands out to the side or you can hold again. The choice is yours. From here, we're going to do a sailor, but for styling purposes, you want it to slightly turn 1/8 of a turn. So you just want to make it slightly off center. So we're going to step our left foot back. We're going to make 1/8 of a turn, stepping our right foot to the side. Step your left foot to the side. So now you're at about 130. So let's try that with some counts. We're stomping with the right. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, we're going to do a sailor 1/8 turn over our right shoulder. So we're going to make that 1/8 of a turn, stepping our right foot behind our left foot side, right foot side. We're now going to do a sailor in place, left behind right, right side, left side. We're now going to take both heels. We're going to come up on the balls of our feet. We're going to swivel both heels to the left. Now we're going to swivel both heels to the right. And as we do that, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot to return to 12 o'clock. And we're going to do a kick ball change, kick, step, step. So let's try that part with some counts. We just ended slightly off-centered with our sailor to end section 1. You're going to do your 2 sailor steps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now with those sailors, how you do them, it doesn't actually really matter as long as you're going from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock doing 3 sailor steps. So you can make your second one turn a complete quarter, but it kind of works better if you make them gradually turn. Section 3. This part's also going to be different depending on where you dance. The step sheet says to do knee shakes. So all he wants you to do is step your right foot to the side but slightly forward, and you can bring your knee in, out, in, out. We like to shake our hip over as we do it. So we like to slightly lean forward and bump our hip right, 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 right. So you're kind of angling that body over your right. Now you're going to do hip rolls. So we're going to bring our hip to the right, back to the left, hip right, back, left. So let's try it with some counts. You can either do the knee or you can do the hip. Your choice. So weights on, we just did our kickball change, so weights on that left foot. You're touching that right toe forward, but mostly to the side and shaking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. We're going to start by kicking our right foot forward. You're then going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, bringing your right foot back. So now you're at 9 o'clock, and you're going to stomp in place, right, left. We're going to end the dance by doing a Monterey half turn. So we're going to point that right toe to the right side. We're going to make that half turn over our right shoulder, coming all the way around, putting our weight onto our right foot. Touch your left toe to the side, step together, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that last part with some counts. We're kicking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance and you're ready to stomp, stomp, and start all over again. So now let's face the front wall. 1 time with steps and 1 time with counts. Weights on your left foot, we're stomping with the right. Stomp, hold, stomp, hold, stomp, snap, sailor, sailor, turn, sailor, twist, quarter turn, kick, ball, change. Now your knee with your hips. Come around, hip, roll, kick, kick, flick, quarter, stomp, stomp, Monterey, half turn, step together, ready to start all over again. Let's try it with some counts. We're stomping forward on that right foot. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. You can make this dance as sassy as you want, add as much hips. You can really come low. Sometimes people like to drop it low while they do it. It's that kind of dance where you can add a little bit extra of your own self into the dance. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weights on that left foot, we're stomping with our right. Stomp, hold, stomp, hold, stomp, hold, sailor, sailor, turn, sailor, step, swivel, left quarter turn, kick, ball, change. Now your knee with your hips, come around, hip roll, kick, flick, quarter turn, and stomp, stop, Monterey half, and start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, hold, stomp, hold, stomp. Snap and sailor, sailor, turn, sailor step and swivel left, quarter turn, kick, ball, change, hip and near knee. Now roll around, kick, quarter flick, stomp, stomp, Monterey, half turn. Now stomp and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So I hope this helps you learn Metamorphosized. It may be done to a variety of music. A local favorite here is Wildflower by the Jane Deere Girls. Your bar or dance place may do it to a different song, but it's still a blast no matter what. So I hope this helps you learn it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.